begin round 21, we slip stitch into the next chain 1 space, chain 2, and mark this chain 2 as the beginning of the round, and double crochet on the next chain 1 space. We actually made a double crochet 2 together on these first 2 chain 1 spaces, then chain 1 and double crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet 2 together on the next 2 chain 1 spaces, then chain 2, 1, 2, and make a double triple crochet, skipping the first chain 3 on the next chain 3 space. So as you can see, we chain 1, and to make a double triple crochet stitch, you yarn over 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and finish the double triple crochet stitch by pulling through 2 loops on hook, a total of 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So chain 1, double triple crochet stitch on the same space. We are going to make a total of 7 double triple crochet. One, 2, 3, 6, 7. Then chain 2 and repeat. So the repeating stitches starts on the double crochet 2 together stitch. So we will mark this double crochet 2 together as the beginning of the repeating stitches. Then chain 1 and double crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and double crochet 2 together on the next 2 chain 1 spaces. Then chain 2, and double triple crochet, skipping the next chain 3, and double triple crochet on the next chain 3. We'll make a total of 7 again, so that's 1, chain 1, double triple crochet stitch on the same space, chain 1, double triple crochet on the same space, chain 1, double triple crochet on the same space, chain 1, double triple crochet on the same space, we have made 6 already, so one more, chain 1, double triple crochet on the same space, chain 2, and repeat. So we are going to mark this chain 2 as the ending of the repeating stitches. So repeat from the double crochet 2 together stitch to the chain 2 until you reach the foundation chain for the armhole. To those of you who are making a tablecloth and not a shrug, skip the part about making the armhole, but continue to make the repeating stitches until the end. And at the end of the round, then you slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning, chain 2. So we will continue the repeating stitches over the foundation chain of the armhole. So chain 2, 1, 2, and we will make 7 double triple crochet on the foundation chain of the armholes. So this is 1 double triple crochet, chain 1, double triple crochet over the chain, chain 1, double triple crochet over the foundation chain, chain 1, double triple crochet on the foundation chain, chain 1, double triple crochet on the foundation chain, and repeat. So we are going to make double crochet 2 together on the foundation chain, chain 1, double crochet on the foundation chain twice. So this is 1, this is the second, chain 1, then double crochet 2 together on the foundation chain, then chain 2, 1, 2, and we will make the fan stitch, which is actually the base of the strawberries. So we will make double triple crochet on the same foundation chain. We are just now repeating the repeating stitches all over again. So let us inspect the work to check that we are doing what we are supposed to do. So we are replicating the shell that's supposed to be on top of that, and then the extension of this fan that turns into diamond right there. So this one is okay. We have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to make more double crochet stitches on top of this and another set of fan. So let's do it. So chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet 2 together, chain 1 and double crochet into the space, twice chain 1, double crochet into the space for the second time, chain 1 and double crochet 2 together into the space, chain 2 and make the fan, so let's kind of shape up the fan, kind of spread it out, spread it evenly onto the foundation chain, and we can work on stretching the repeating stitches over the foundation chain later. So now let's continue to hook the fan onto the rest of the stitches. So after the fan we chain 2 and we do double crochet 2 together on the next chain 1 space. So we are repeating the repeating stitches all over again. So we will continue to make the repeating stitches until we reach the other side of the armhole, and we will do exactly as we did on the first armhole. At the end of the round, after the last fan, slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chains. And this is the end of round 21. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video tutorials.